Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is alternate number 1 using elements from the December 2025 paper pumpkin kit. I have got the 2 of the sprigs and 2 of the flowers from the kit. I've got this piece from the kit and one of the greeting banners, and I cut it down to fit right in the middle like this. And I'm just going to stamp with Pretty Peacock, and I've got a Pretty Peacock background. So I'm just going to grab my Versamark, and I'm going to ink that up. And this is the thank you, and we're going to stamp it right down in the middle like that. Okay, just pop that off to the side for now. This goes off to the side. And then I'm going to ink up. I've got just one of those little sprigs, just the little leafy one. And I am going to just stamp it randomly along the side here. And I'm just stamping it down like this. And then I'm going to do that down the side here as well, just right down the side like this. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, let's close up the ink pad so that I don't put my finger in it. And this is going to get adhered flat down onto here like this. So I'm just going to run some adhesive along here like this. This is going to go here, so we're offset over to the center with this edge almost along the edge, and you can just see a little bit of that inking in behind, and you've got the inking here for detail. Then I'm going to dimensionalize this piece that's going right in the middle here. So this is going to go in the middle like this. So we've got our thank you going on. And this is going to come in here like this. Okay, so I've dimensionalized these already. So let's just peel the backings off of those. And then this is going to sit about like that, and then this one will sit exactly the opposite down on this side, just like that. Okay, then we're going to put the flowers on, and I've dimensionalized the flowers, and I'm thinking now that maybe I shouldn't have, so I'm just going to peel the dimensionals off, and I'm just going to put regular adhesive on the back like that, and they are going to sit like that. I was thinking I was going to set these outside the greeting, but they're inside the greeting, so I'm just going to peel all the dimensional off and then add some adhesive like that, pop that down like that. So we've got our that like that, and I've got I'm debating about using this bling, and I think I will. Just going to just pop some bling around just to kind of fill up some of this white space that we've got going on. Like that. Oops, I've actually stuck that down onto. There we go. Free that up. And I was thinking about putting them in the middle, but I don't know that I'm going to put them in the middle. I think that might be just a little bit too much. But what I am going to do, Angela, this is for you, is I am going to Wink of Stella the centers of those flowers. Just gives them a little bit of an edge there. So that is our first alternate card using elements from the December 2025 paper pumpkin kit. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for one more alternate every day this week.